ladies and gentlemen. It gives my great pleasure to be present before you to deliver these remarks at the opening of the International Conference on Bankruptcy and Business Reorganization Management during the COVID-19 pandemic. Of course, this is done via video conference. On behalf of the host, may I first welcome the delegates from ASEAN member countries, namely Malaysia, Singapore, and Vietnam. And also, I would like to also welcome Japan and the Republic of Korea for attending this event. My thanks also go to the World Bank and the International Association of the Insolvency Regulators, or the IAIR, and also the Law School of Renmin, University of China, who gave the participation through this conference. Ladies and gentlemen, during the economic crisis of the COVID-19, we have seen that the COVID-19 really affect our lives. It does not only affect the casualties among people, but we can see that the economies of all the countries affected by the COVID-19 has received the downturn tremendously. During this time, we also witnessed the rising cases in bankruptcy and reorganization. Of course, this is because the inability to pay off all the debtors that we are now seeing. The COVID-19 actually stopped the activities of human beings, including the transportation, the communications, and also other business activities. Lockdowns in various countries really stopped the growth of the GDP. And in effect, we see the downturn and the decline of the GDP growth in every country in the world. We also see the court hearing in various jurisdictions went to a stop. Many cases were postponed. And we also see that the administration of bankruptcy and reorganization has come to some difficulties because normal auctioning cannot be done in the normal way. And in this regard, we have to do a lot of things in order to cope with the system and maybe make sure that economy can be sustained for some certain period of time before the COVID-19 could be resolved. During these years, we have witnessed the changes in the laws in various jurisdictions regarding the bankruptcy. Ladies and gentlemen, Thailand is no exception. We have proposed the law, or in the correct words, an amendment to the bankruptcy law. We are now proposing that the law regarding the SMEs reorganization should be changed. One significant aspect of changing the law is to make it much easier and make sure that the court will have more discretion in dealing with that matter, including we have to do away with the prerequisite that may be obstacle to the filings. We also see that the legal execution department is now undergoing the e-auctioning for bankruptcy cases. My understanding that it will come very soon. I understand that this venue, this event, would be a very good venue that people in ASEAN member countries, including the Korea and Japan, would be sharing your view regarding the way to deal with the matters during economic crisis of the COVID-19. I hope that the consultation among yourself would give us some new idea, and perhaps that would become our way to solve the problem as well. So in this regard, I wish you to have the successful event. And may I take this opportunity to declare this meeting open. Thank you.